Welcome on my YouTube channel, or on our YouTube channel, better to say. So, dear friends, let's go on with this, for me, incredible, nice, professional power amplifier, Vermona Regent 2012 from East Germany. Why to go on? I will explain it later within few seconds in this video, because at first I would like to thank you everybody for watching our videos, for subscribing our YouTube channel, and if you would like to support our channel, you can also join our channel. So, why go on? Because I have recorded a few days ago video with this amplifier with the sound test. When it arrived here, immediately, when it arrived here in my listening room, but not immediately, because arrived also, I must tell it to you now, arrived the best reel-to-reel tape recorder ever made, Ampex ATR-100. If you are interested, watch my previous video, but I put here active link if I don't forget. Unfortunately, I cannot go through here in my listening room, so it's now in front of my listening room in the hall. It's huge and heavy, about 120 pounds, and the price in 70s was like 2 family cars. Incredible machine. So let's go on with this amplifier. If you would like to watch the sound test, because it's in working condition, yes, some disturbing sound after switching on, but it works. Watch my previous video. If I don't forget, I put here active link, and in this previous video I've promised that I will open it and we'll see what's inside, because here is pretty nice, huge trafo, and it's amplifier is pretty heavy. I was surprised in my previous video that I cannot put up the the cover, metal cover, because this is so from one piece, and it's necessary to dismount this bottom metal plate. Let's see where it goes. Okay, it's from only the front plate. I will show you the front panel with pretty nice view meter, and also from the back side. It's a little heavy for me, so let's try it. Some original metal shield, metal label with the production number, and let's dismount these 4 screws. This is my Narex Accu screwdriver. I received as a gift from my wife about 10 years ago, and it still works, but I need any other bite. Maybe this will be the best. Okay. And usually it's not bad idea to put something here on the table, because what falls down on the floor I cannot find it. So usually I put here a piece of carpet. So let's see if it is possible or not. So here are also the next 4 screws in the middle of the rubber feet. Okay, okay. So let's see what's inside. Oh, a little dust, but it looks like new one. It's inside. Pretty nice. I will take the camera and I will make a detailed footage that you can see it better. So one is enough. Okay, so let's take the camera.
The day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, and holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl on time.
So, dear friends, how do you like it? How do you like the construction? I must say, I'm always happy when I can open some interesting device and another info why I must buy this amplifier because up to now, before I bought it and take it here in my listening room, I didn't know that such a amplifier does exist. I see it for the first time by the supplier, so I must buy it. Yes, I have a huge quantity of Vermona Regent amplifiers here, powermixers, amplifiers, huge quantity. Only for info, for example, this it's here, it's everywhere here. For example, this powermix 1060. I have here 5 pieces now in working condition. But this concretely, this type, I didn't know that it exists. So, dear friends, write me in comments how do you like it, and as it is usual, all devices which you can see on my YouTube channel are available because I have only few free space here, and I cannot hold everything what I have here. So once more, thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing our YouTube channel, and if you like our videos and if you would like to support our channel, you can also join our channel. So have a nice day.